Hey guys, welcome back with me again at this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create this directional blur using the CapCut video effect. So just add the clips that you want to edit and then go to the video effect and use the oblique blur effect in the opening and closing section. Okay, this one, and trim it. Trim the effect and put it at the start of the clip. Now add a keyframe at the start, set the blur to 100 and rotate, just do it based on your liking. I'm going to go with 50. Click on the check icon, add another keyframe in the middle. Now lower the blur to around 30, and on the last keyframe make the blur 0. Okay, now you just need to copy the effect several times based on your liking. Okay, after that just repeat the step for the next clip. So I'm going to copy it one more time and I'm going to put it for the second clip. Copy it again. And you are done, and this will be the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.